Hey guys, Justin Labato here with Autogeek.com, and we are here in Big Bear Lake, California at the Detail and Success Training Center with Renny Doyle, going over the PNS Double Black line of products, specifically the Pearl Auto Shampoo, which is one of my personal favorites. And of course, we're gonna have Renny tell you all the great benefits of the Pearl Shampoo.
You know, Justin, I love to call it the top 5. And so there's 5 primary uses for this product. And again, the reason why I like that is one product does many different things. So my favorite thing is in the bucket experience. Is the product just works really good. You've used it a lot. It soaps up, suds up great. It's actually the saturation in the water goes all the way through the bucket. Instead of sitting on top because it's heavy or sinking to the bottom, it's all the way through.
Known as the viscosity, right?
Absolutely.
It's thinner, so
absolutely.
That also applies in putting it in a foam cannon. You won't get that premature clog that some may experience with thicker soaps.
Absolutely, and it lays down a nice layer of foam. You can use it also in the IK foamer, which is really nice because it's a little thinner, so it uses a little less product. Another thing a lot of people use it for is a clay lube. Is super effective at doing it. It's not going to put a slick surface on it, so you're going to take, and if you're going to tape anything off or prep it, it's not too slippery or sudsy or anything like that. It's just a perfect finish for that.
No, and that's because the value of it being pH balanced and no additives.
There you go.
No waxes, none of that. That's going to take away from, you know, giving you something back to the surface. It gives you a nice clean surface.
And right before you guys got here, we got a storm in, and the Porsche was covered in grime, and we actually used it yesterday as a no-rinse soap, and it works really well. It cleans up the surface, it carries the dirt away, but it doesn't take and put any kind of marring or anything else into the surface.
So if you're in the no-rinse category with this, you could also be in a waterless category with this as well.
Absolutely. So it's really useful in many different ways. It's a product that I use daily, and we absolutely love it.
Yeah, and with it being one of my personal favorites at the shop, why? Because in Florida, we get a lot of sun. So sometimes we have to wash cars at a certain time of day when the sun's at its peak. So when this dries on the surface, unlike other soaps, I could hit it with water, reactivate it, and it's gone.
Yeah, you get a phone call or something like that, something takes you away from your work. It's not going to destroy your day, and you're not going to have to start over again. It's going to rinse off pretty nicely.
And you know, as a professional, that's great, but as an enthusiast or DIY, that's huge value there because they're not as quick as us in some cases. They take their time, which they should. It's, you know, it's the therapy of being able to clean your car, right? So
Absolutely.
with that, it allows them to be able to do it safely and effectively for a soap that is just wonderful experience all around.
Absolutely.
So thanks again for bringing another great product from the Double Black line to introduce to everybody, Renny.
Absolutely, our pleasure. Good having you here. I can't wait to see you down at your training center here shortly. Pretty cool to have you here and 2 trainers working together. It just shows you the industry's got to come together, and this is a great way to do it.
Yeah, so for more information about the Double Black products and Pearl Auto Shampoo, visit Autogeek.com.